Hello and welcome to Penton Penguin. Yes, there he is. He's jumping out of that water. Hey, this is an on your own problem, so you should have solved the entire problem on your own, and now you're watching this video just to make sure you did everything correctly, my friends. Without further ado, let us move on to our scenario. Penton Penguin is always the last one out of the water. He loves the thrill of catching fish in the Antarctic Ocean. Right there, my friends. Hey, if Peyton's little section of the Antarctic Ocean contains 3.78 tons of fish, and if Peyton catches 0.0017, let's write that down, 0.0017 of those fish each day, how many tons of fish does Penton Penguin eat each day? Hey, my friends, there's a multiplication problem. We are multiplying 3.78 times 0.0017. So the very first thing I like to do is write my counting by the numbers down. Now, for this one, definitely you would want to take the smaller. You only have 2 digits here. And actually, you don't have to write your ones. All you got to do is your sevens, because anything times 1 is, hey, that same number, right? So, as you see, this is kind of cool. Peyton here is jumping out, and his buddies here, they're already done fishing. But Peyton loves catching those fish, doesn't he? All right, so let's move on to the problem. And the first thing you want to do is go ahead and write the number 3.78 right up on top there, right? Now, I'm going to actually shrink this and make a little bit more room. I'm going to scoot that over a teeny bit. And then we are going to, I'm going to drop it too. We're going to rock and roll, my friends, and here we go. I'm going to put the first area box there, and then I'm going to add another one right below it, and this one will be a different color, because I don't know, why not, right? All right, so there we go. Now, for this one, I'm going to break this number into 2 different numbers, and it's going to, the first one will be 0.0007. So let's go ahead and do that. 0.0007. And then this one down here for this area box will be 0.001, and then a 0 for the where the 7 is, which is the tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths place, right? All right, we're going to start with this number and this area box here. So I'm going to multiply by 7, and here we go. 7 times 8, and once again, if you don't know your multiplication facts, bam, there you have it. Counting by the numbers, a great strategy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 gives you 56. Drop the 6 and carry the 5. Drop the 6, carry the 5. Superb. And now I move on. 7 times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 gives me 49. Plus this 5 here will give me 54. I'll drop the 4 and carry the 5 right there. Superb. And let's just keep rocking and rolling. Now I have 7 times 3. I've got 1, 2, and 3. That's going to be 21 plus 5 will give me 26. So I'm going to drop the 6 and the 2 because I'm all done with this area box right here. Superb. Let's move on down here. And this time I want to multiply by 0. Anything times 0, in this case 3.78, will give me 0, right? So I'm going to just drop my 0. Now, you can also think of this 0 as a place value holder for this place value right here, which is tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths, because the 7 already took care of that, right? Now we move on over here, and 1 times any number will give me that exact same number. So 1 times 8, well, that'll give me 8. 1 times 7, well, that'll give me 7. 1 times 3, well, that'll give me 3. Bam! We are all done with all our multiplication, and all we have to do is add these bad boys up, right? So let's go ahead and do that right now. Then we'll count our loopy-doops, and we'll be all done. Superb. 6 plus 0, well, that's going to give you 0, my friend. And then you have 4 plus 8 will give you 12. Drop your 2, carry your 1, and now you've got 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 7 is 14. So drop your 4 and carry your 1. And now you've got 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 3 is 6, right? So I've got 6 here. And now I'm all done with my adding, and all I have to do is count my loop-a-doops. Remember, you're only counting this top and this top one, right? And I like to use red for my loop-a-doops, right? So let's grab that red marker, and we're going to get started. You start way on the right-hand side, and you go 1 loop-a-doop, 2 loop-a-doop. Then come down here, 3 loop-a-doop, 4 loop-a-doop, 5 loop-a-doop, 6 loop-a-doops. So then I come over here to the answer, and I'm going to do 6 loop-a-doops. 1 loop-a-doop, 2 loop-a-doop, 3 loop-a-doop, 4 loop-a-doop, 5 loop-a-doop, and 6 loop-a-doops. And right there is where my decimal will go. And then I have to fill in zeros for each of these holes where there's a loop-a-doop with no digit in front of it. So I'm going to add a couple of zeros there. And then I'm going to put a 0 in front of my decimal. And there you have it, my friends. This is your answer, 0.006426. Now, what does this really mean, right? Well, this means you've got, this is tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths, 100,000ths, and millions. So you have 6,426 millions. And there it is right there, my friends. You've got 6,424 1,000,000s. But that is talking about tons of fish, right? So how much is that actually per day? Because this is only a portion of a ton. And remember, a ton is huge. A ton is 2,000 pounds. That's a lot of fish, right? But this is only a portion of that. And this actually ends up being exactly 12 pounds of fish each day that our good friend Peyton Penguin is eating. Hey, but that's not really the answer you need. This right here is the answer you need. You should have 0.006426. That's what you should have. Hey, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all, my friends. Pause that video, fix that mistake. That is your fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I will see you soon. And now, on to counting by the numbers. This is a great strategy for anybody who does not have all their multiplication facts memorized. Counting by threes. Ready? Here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Counting by fours. Ready? And 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Counting by sixes. Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Counting by sevens, here we go. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. And counting by eights, here we go. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Counting by nines, here we go. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.